Assalamu alaikum friends, today we will discuss how to increase follower on Instagram without login. You can easily increase follower on Instagram without installing any software. For that, you have to follow some steps. First, open your Instagram software and show how many followers I have. Then click Instagram profile. As you can see, I don't have a single follower. Well, before working, you need to copy your Instagram username. We copied our username. Now, open any browser on your phone. Then go to google.com website. Then type in the search bar wechat. Click on the first website. Click 3 menu bar. Then click free Instagram followers. Then click your email address. You don't have to give your email address here. You can type anything and make it look like email address. Then scroll down. Enter your Instagram username here. Then scroll down. Then you have to wait few seconds. Must subscribe our channel to get more tutorials like this. We upload videos daily on our YouTube channel. Thanks for waiting. Then click proceed button. Again click proceed button. We have to fill in a captcha here. We will now fill in the captcha. Click yes when the captcha is complete. As you can see, our work is complete. It says to wait a minute here. After waiting for 1 minute, followers will start coming to our account. We will wait about a minute now. Before that, I will refresh my profile once. You can see I still have 0 followers. After a minute, we will refresh our profile again. Hopefully our minute is done. Now we will refresh our profile again. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.